Hi, in this video we are going to see the state as well as the central universities recruitment notification, and I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the second class post graduate also. Second class postgraduate means less than 60%. With some little bit experience if you are having, then you can apply for this job and you are going to get 37,018 rupees per month. And apart from this one, few assistant professor vacancies are also available. So the salary is 60,000 rupees per month. Fine. So after watching this video, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments, whatever mentioned in the recruitment notifications. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. So please don't forget to share. And to get the more notifications from my side, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding both the two state and central universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept. So please check down those. To the present content of the video, the first one we are going to see here, assistant professor vacancies from the Central University of Andhra Pradesh, Anantapuram. So here the employment notification for assistant professor on ad hoc basis. The Central University of Andhra Pradesh, Anantapuram is established under the Act of Parliament, and it is inviting the applications from eligible Indian citizens in the prescribed format for assistant professor on ad hoc basis to teach the following UG or the PG programs on a monthly consolidated salary of 60,000 rupees per month. And we got this notification on 22nd July 2021. And coming to the subjects here, economics, political science, RM and IT, and T and TM, and the MA in Telugu as well as MA in English. Okay, so total 5 subjects are there. And as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are mentioned here. Okay, so you please check down. And here we're having the total number of vacancies are 30. Okay, so including all the departments and from all the categories, total 30 vacancies are there. And coming to the qualifications or else the specializations that you may check down. For economics, masters in economics or econometrics with the following specializations: microeconomics, mathematical economics, statistics and econometrics, Indian economics and policy, development economics as well as the macroeconomics. Coming to the political science, masters in the following specialization: international relations, Indian polity, Indians political thought or political theory, comparative politics and public administration. And coming to RM and IT, MBA in tourism and travel management, or else the marketing and sales, or else the systems, or MTech in CSC or MCA or MSc computer science, or MBA finance or HR or operations. And MA in Telugu, masters in the following specialization: classical Telugu grammar or classical Telugu poetry and general linguistics. And coming to the English, masters in the following: English literature teaching or the English language teaching. Fine. So these are all the things. And yeah, so eligibility criteria, the essential qualifications: PG in the concerned department with 55% of marks. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the NET or SET or SLIT conducted by the UGC or the CSIR or equivalent, and a PhD in relevant subject as per the UGC regulations dated 18th July 2018. Okay, so these things, that means here they are asking the PG with 55% of marks, along with that one the NET or SET or SLIT qualification, and PhD also they are asking. Okay, so without PhD I think you can't apply for this one. And the desirable teaching experience as well as the publications. Okay, so the candidates may apply online on or before 14th August 2021, and hard copies of the application along with the enclosures may be sent to the following address by the speed post or the register post. Fine. So the address is also mentioned here, you may check down. And for a few more notices, points are also given here. So you please check down. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Fine. And the one more advertisement that what I want to show is that it is this one. So in Times of India, we got this one, Andhra University from Visakhapatnam advertisement. So applications are invited for 2 posts of research investigators. That is one on regular basis and another on contract basis for a period of 1 year in the Population Research Center, Andhra University. And the last date is 21st August 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. And coming to the details of qualification, So name of the post research investigator on regular basis, only one post is there, open category. So the amount is 25,142, 73,270. So I think it will be the very good amount, but the post is temporary and is likely to continue with the continuation of population research center scheme. And coming to the qualifications, at least a second class postgraduate degree in demography, population studies, statistics, economics, mathematics, sociology, social work, psychology, anthropology, geography from a recognized university, and knowledge in the computer applications. And coming to the experience, 3 years experience in collection or analysis and report writing, and this experience is relaxable for the candidates with higher qualifications. Okay. And coming to the research investigator on contract basis for a period of 1 year, only one post is there, and the amount is 37,018 rupees. And here the important points are given. Coming to the qualifications here, at least a second class PG degree in demography or population studies or statistics, economics or mathematics, sociology, social work, psychology, anthropology or the geography from a recognized university with some knowledge in the computer applications, and 3 years of experience in the collection or analysis and report writing, and this experience is relaxable for the higher qualifications. Okay, so last date for submission of hard copy of the application by post or in person on or before 21st August 2081 evening 5 o'clock. Fine. And few more information can be elicited through here the contact numbers are provided. If you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, then here the contact numbers are there, as well as the email ID is also there. Fine. So you please check both these two, guys. Okay, so if you want to get this advertisement, then you have to go to official website of Andhra University Visakhapatnam and search for the vacancies on population research center. Okay, and it is official website. You will get all the details in andrauniversity.edu.in. Fine. So total, these are the two different vacancies notification from the state as well as the central university. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.